Web3.tv.
Hello and welcome to Web3 TV. I'm Lisa Amigard, and today we're at the Dubai FinTech Summit 2025. Joining me right now is Lluis Mas, CEO and Chairman of Belobaba. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having you here, Lisa.
And how's your day been so far?
No, amazing. So this Dubai FinTech Summit, it's our preferred events in the whole year. And it's a special moment to communicate with your partners, meet with new people, new providers, clients. So I think it's a very nice event that built here from Dubai.
Yeah, definitely. And now we're in the third year of Dubai FinTech Summit. So it's growing, and it's this year's theme is FinTech for all. So that's really what we're seeing here today. Yeah. And you are a platform combining different types of digital assets and crypto all in one and offer payment solutions. So tell me a little bit more about Belobaba and what you guys are doing.
So we started 3 years ago, and we decided to go through the way of digital banking. We see the future, it's merging this traditional finance, this traditional financial infrastructure with these new assets that thanks to blockchain came alive and nobody knows how to control. And now regulators are putting the eye on that. And this trend is called Web3 banking. We're trying to lead the Web3 banking trend. Okay. So, and right now we are 1 year and a half in the market. It's our first time that we have physical presence here in Dubai FinTech Summit. We're super excited to be here. And yeah, we are trying to combine this traditional finance, these Web2 users with Web3 users with these new standards, okay, and try to innovate, be in the front of incorporate these new regulated technologies to impact for the better in the financials of the people.
Definitely. And when it comes to, let's say, traditional banking and Web3, they've been kind of separate from each other.
Exactly.
So how do you see these two different sides of finance integrating in the future?
I think that there are 3 points that are interesting to... So they're interesting. First is the consumer protection. In traditional finance, you have consumer protection for frauds or when you are sending a transfer, it's a wrong transfer. So in Web3, not. You can lose the money, they can hack you, and you have nobody to complain. Okay? Yeah. Second, the custody of assets. When you have the money in banks or in trustworthy financial institutions, you are safe that your savings, you don't have to be in cash under your bed or these kind of things. In Web3, not. In Web3, if you lose the keys of your assets, you are losing your assets.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. And then I think that because, thanks to DeFi, we are eliminating intermediaries. Okay? And we have more competitive financial products for savings and for investments, that this is one of the key solutions that we are bringing to these Web2 users, how they can have access to these products with one-click product, that they don't have to interact with a real Web3 wallet and have all this complexity that is not mature yet for the general public.
Yes, it's kind of a very user-friendly experience.
Yes. Also, we are working with Visa and MasterCard. We have a leading programs of crypto programs, so people can spend in a regulated way with leading partners their crypto, their fiat currencies from multiple jurisdictions easily in a fraction of a second.
Yeah, definitely, and especially in the region where fintech is growing at such speed. But if we look outside the UAE, what kind of opportunities do you see for these integrated solutions with Web3 and Web2 services?
Yeah, no, what is happening in Dubai and UAE in general is it's just incredible. And it's moving so fast. And the last years, they become one of the leading hubs in fintech in other areas. Now they are working in AI super hard. And this is the mindset of the rulers, the mindset of people that they are grabbing, that are coming here to make a living. Okay. So, all is about solve the needs of consumers. So, and consumers always are 1 or 2 steps in front technology, okay, of regulations. So you have to put the focus in consumers, make them happy, and then have a good product. So you have a business.
And I wanted to also touch base with you when it comes to stablecoins, because I know that's something that you currently offer or you will offer.
Yeah. We are compliant with the stablecoins. Yeah. So here we are going to see an interesting competition with traditional finance and local payments. Local payments right now are so much efficient. So you have SEPA in Europe, you have local payments here also in UAE. So, and people is moving money easily, okay, and almost instantly. So we'll see if stablecoins can compete in these markets or how much they can grab from this market, because it's really efficient. It's working nicely. So users are happy. So, but in cross-border payments, here there is another leak, So, and here I think that makes all the sense that the stablecoins are going to compete with these other solutions that SWIFT is working on and the traditional banks are working on.
And definitely, if we look at the U.S., I know they're now working on the Stablecoin Act and also the Genius Act. So do you think the regulations like that will kind of push stablecoins more into the mainstream?
Inshallah. So, no, what is happening in the US is super exciting. They are issuing this stablecoin bill. They are issuing as well a market creation bill. So they are really building a new financial infrastructure, okay, with leading partners like Chainlink, with SWIFT, and other providers. If they really move to the way of values of decentralization, they can do something huge and really that people like. So the flow of funds of the whole world can attract to US. Okay, if they are moving to control, to put limitations to people, to the worst scenario of blockchain, so that in digital you have the full control, CBDCs, these kind of things. I think that they are going to do a huge mistake because now with technology, people is free. And digital nations are going to compete to have the better financial infrastructure.
And do you see more kind of attention around stablecoins on your platform?
Absolutely. Once you try to use payments in USDC or USDT, there is no way back. So clients are talking with the customers, please create your counterparty. So create your wallet. So it's a win-to-win situation because and it's helping us to expand. So because Web2 users are really experimenting the benefit of the stable coins, and they are trying to force others to be in our platform to move the money through stable coins.
So do you think that's going to be the trend for 2025?
100%.
Yeah, and do you see any other trends for 2025 when it comes to digital assets?
I think that so there are different trends, okay, but all is about these bills that they are creating in US, okay. Also, China did for the first time a cross-border payment with Abu Dhabi, and they are creating this also financial infrastructure. Let's see how these financial infrastructures interact with each other, or they are isolate, okay, and like in different silos. So let's see. Stable coins, DeFi, and usability for the user. So this is the key for the next year.
And if anyone wants to learn more about Belobaba, how can they find you?
They can go to belobaba.io. So, and they can register themselves, and it's absolutely free. So you can get an account for free. We are not going to charge at all to them. So only when they are interacting with the platform, doing swaps or transfers.
Yeah, so it's a great platform with everything all in one. So
all in one. So and soon they will find these real world assets, this tokenization of the economy that we are talking about. So that is this trend will be massive.
Are you going to be offering real?
No, but of course we are talking with Dubai Land Department. We are talking with these official institutions. We want to offer premium luxury products, but now everybody can get access from the fraction of the whole investment. So it's very interesting what is going to happen.
Yeah, it's also a very trending topic for 2025.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much for speaking with me. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
And I'll be bringing you more interviews. My name is Lisa Amnegard, and you're watching Web3 TV.